I am reviewing this TRAVELMAN jump starter with air compressor. Big, but it does everything, and it comes in this nice case. I really like when they come all in one self-contained case. A lot don't. So this can work as an air compressor or a jump starter or as a power bank. It has it's good for gas engines up to 10 liters and diesel engines up to 8. Has 88.8 watts battery, and it has a starting current of 800 amps and a peak of 3,000. It can inflate tires up to 150 psi, and it takes 6 hours to recharge. So with that big battery, it does take a while to recharge. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. I really like how it's packaged. It has 2 separate compartments. Up here has all of your accessories, your user manual, your USB-C charger to recharge it, your jumper cables, and I'm always curious because some of these come with very small jumper cables, but these are nice and thick. Look at them. They have a good spring to them. A lot of clamps, you know, a lot of surface to clamp. They're not these teeny little cables. Like a lot of them come with stuff like this. Compare the two. You know what I mean? This is a different setup I had. And this has all your faults, it has a reset, and it plugs into the side of the unit. And here is your hose for your tire inflator, which is also nice, and has a little warning that it gets hot. And we also have your accessories to be able to inflate basketballs, your kids' toys, etc. So that's always handy. It's just a good thing to keep in your car. You never know if you're at the park and someone needs a basketball inflated or anything. Let's check out the unit. Look at this thing. Oh yeah, looks great. Oh, it has a handle. That's even better. I was sent this to review, and I'm thankful for that. Let's go ahead and peel this cover off. That's always fun. Go ahead and turn it on here. Nice LCD screen. Kind of hard to see. It shows the battery indicator. Hard to see here in the sun and outside. Shows the PSI, and you can switch modes, and then you're going towards, you know, PSI or everything else. Over here is the side with your, you know, so it has 2 USB ports right here if you wanted to use it as a power bank, and back here is where you plug it into the car, and it also has a flashlight. Yeah, so we have the settings: M for mode, U for the press unit, up the pressure. And go ahead, and this is to turn it on to the light mode. You hit this, and then we have our light on. And then we also have a flashing light, faster flashing, flashing red for emergency, and solid. And then you just go ahead and hold it down to turn it back off. So that's a great feature to have as well. Go ahead and hook up the jump starter feature. Something I like is this has a rubber cover over this when it's not in storage. That's the first time I've seen it, and I've reviewed a lot of these, so that is a very nice feature. And it just plugs in right here, and then you get all of your indicators right here. Standby means blue, green means it's ready to jump. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to this battery right here. You always separate them here. You can see it has these nice big clamps, which is super helpful. You see it's on blue, it's trying to charge it. It's sending power. This is a fully dead battery, but you know, you can tell it works, and that's great. And then to turn this off, you just simply unhook this right here. All right, so we have it all set up to the tire. It's very easy to install. Like that. It just has the little clamp on here. You don't screw it on, just on, off, and then it tells you your current tire pressure. And then you have the mode right here, which you can switch with the M button between car, motorcycle, bicycle, and sports. And you can also change the unit, so it's either PSI, bar, etc. You can say what you want it to be for your pressure here. So let's just inflate it a little too much. Then this is the on button right here. This is actually pretty quiet. Also has these rubber feet right here. It's quieter than most of them, which is good. See how long it takes to add about a PSI and a half to this tire. Not long at all. Really cool. Definitely something you want in your kid's car, your wife's car, your car. Keep one in every one of your cars, something like this. And this is a great choice because it does it all. It's quieter and it comes with that nice carrying case so you don't end up losing any of the attachments. I think that's the biggest bonus to this. Plus it's powerful enough for any engine or tire, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.